Now let's do factoring by difference of squares. A difference of squares problem means that you have something that's a perfect square minus another perfect square. Remember that difference is just a fancy word for subtraction. Here's our first example. 9x squared minus 16. Ask yourself, is 9x squared a perfect square? Yes. Is 16 a perfect square? Yes. Is this a subtraction problem? Yes. So this is a difference of squares. All you have to do is figure out what the square roots are of the first and last terms. Then you're going to put them into two binomials where one is a plus and one is a minus, because positive times negative is what gives you that minus term. The square root of 9x squared is 3x, and the square root of 16 is 4. Therefore, this factors into the two binomials, 3x plus 4 and 3x minus 4. Check it through your mnemonic of FOIL. 3x times 3x is 9x squared. 3x times negative 4 is a negative 12x. 4 times positive 3x is positive 12x, and a negative 12x and a positive 12x just cancel out. Positive 4 multiplied by negative 4 is negative 16. It checks. Let's try another one. 25x squared minus 81. Is 25x squared a perfect square? Yes. Is 81 a perfect square? Yes. Is this a subtraction problem? Yes. So now find the square roots of each of those terms. The square root of 25x squared is 5x. And the square root of 81 is 9. So we have our two binomials, 5x plus 9 and 5x minus 9. All right, let's look at our third example. 100x squared y to the 8th minus 49z to the 4th. Are 100 and 49 both perfect squares? Yes. On your variable terms, are all of your exponents even numbers? Yes. So are both of your terms perfect squares? Yes. And finally, is it a subtraction problem? Yes. So this is an example of difference of squares. So what is the square root of 100x squared y to the 8th? That's right, it's 10x y to the 4th. And what is the square root of 49z to the 4th? 7z squared. Very good. So finally, we put those pieces together, and we get the quantity 10x y to the 4th plus 7z squared multiplied by the quantity 10x y to the 4th minus 7z squared. And we're done.